Oh boy, the time has come. Boy. Oh boy. Gooey. Some of these disappeared. Okay. We need to be a little more selective on what we put together. What were these? Well, they're not much anymore. Ooh, that one's fun. It's got some really cool lines. Which ones of these are ready for polishing? Ooh, this one I like. No idea what that is, but it's got little gold flecks. Can you get that? Mm-hmm. Little like crystallization. Neat. Some of these might be fun.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, get some red in there. Ooh, look at that one. That one's gonna be cool. I can't believe that one shrunk a lot, but it's really cool. Some fun bands. That one's kind of a dud. It's got like
what
little
is that? That's a
fossils
shell,
or something in there.
That's really neat.
It might polish up. It's got a couple of them.
Yeah.
Huh.
That one's cool. The one you just
Weird.
set down.
Which one?
The one you just
This
set.
one?
Yeah, that's really cool. Flip it over. That's pretty.
Huh. A couple of these really reddish, crystallized, calcity looking, I don't know, agatized crystal of some sort, maybe. And then all the stuff that Ninja vanished.